Rubber band to prevent paint can drips. Wrap a rubber band around an open paint can to wipe off excess paint from your brush, preventing messy drips down the side. Tired of messy paint spills ruining your projects? Enter the rubber band, your new best friend in the battle against paint can drips. By simply wrapping a rubber band around the rim of an open paint can, you create a clever barrier that catches excess paint before it has a chance to drip down the sides. As you dip your brush into the paint, the rubber band acts as a convenient wiping station, allowing you to remove any surplus paint with ease. This prevents messy drips and splatters, keeping your workspace clean and your sanity intact. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. With just a rubber band and a steady hand, you can say goodbye to the frustration of dealing with drips and spills, allowing you to focus on the task at hand with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice painter, incorporating the rubber band method into your workflow will revolutionize the way you tackle painting projects. So grab your paintbrush, wrap that rubber band, and prepare to paint like a pro without the mess. The bread to pick up broken glass. Press a slice of bread onto the floor where glass has shattered. The bread will pick up tiny glass shards that are difficult to see and remove. When faced with the aftermath of broken glass, a simple slice of bread becomes an unlikely hero in the cleanup process. Its soft and pliable texture makes it the perfect tool for picking up even the tiniest glass shards that are often difficult to see and remove. By pressing the bread firmly onto the affected area, it adheres to the glass fragments, effectively lifting them from the surface without scattering or causing harm. This method is not only remarkably effective but also safer than traditional cleanup methods, as it minimizes the risk of injury from sharp glass edges. Additionally, using bread for cleanup is a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution, as it eliminates the need for specialized cleaning products or disposable materials. Whether it's a broken glass in the kitchen, bathroom, or any other area of the home, reaching for a slice of bread can turn a potentially hazardous situation into a quick and hassle-free cleanup process. So the next time glass shatters underfoot, remember to grab a slice of bread and let its cleaning power work its magic. Microwave your sponge, wet your kitchen sponge, and microwave it for 1-2 minutes to kill bacteria and eliminate odors. Keeping your kitchen sponge clean and free of bacteria is essential for maintaining a hygienic environment in your home. Fortunately, there's a simple and effective solution that requires nothing more than your microwave. The heat generated by the microwave penetrates the sponge, reaching deep within its fibers to eradicate bacteria and other pathogens. This quick and convenient method is scientifically proven to be highly effective at sanitizing sponges, making it an invaluable tool in your cleaning arsenal. Not only does microwaving your sponge help to keep your kitchen surfaces clean and safe, but it also extends the life of your sponge by eliminating odor-causing bacteria. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and hello to a fresh, clean sponge every time you reach for it. With just a few minutes of microwaving, you can ensure that your kitchen sponge remains a reliable and hygienic tool for all your cleaning needs. So the next time you're in doubt about the cleanliness of your sponge, simply give it a quick zap in the microwave and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your kitchen is germ-free. 4-bender clip is a keychain organizer. Use a large binder clip to keep your keys neatly organized in your bag or pocket. It prevents them from jangling and scratching other items. Say goodbye to the frustration of rummaging through a cluttered bag or pocket to find your keys. With a simple yet ingenious solution, you can keep your keys neatly organized and easily accessible at all times. Enter the binder clip, a versatile office supply turned keychain organizer. By attaching your keys to a large binder clip, you create a compact and efficient way to keep them secure and in place. The sturdy metal clip prevents your keys from jangling around, reducing noise and minimizing the risk of scratches to other items in your bag or pocket. This clever hack is not only practical, but also incredibly cost-effective. You can find binder clips at any office supply store or even repurpose ones you already have lying around the house. With just a few seconds of effort, you can transform a mundane office accessory into a handy keychain organizer that will streamline your daily routine. Whether you're a busy professional on the go or simply someone who values organization and efficiency, the binder clip keychain organizer is a game changer. Say goodbye to lost keys and hello to a more organized and stress-free life. All thanks to a humble binder clip. 5. Freeze aloe vera in ice cube trays for sunburn. Relief, fill an ice cube tray with aloe vera gel. And freeze. Use the soothing aloe vera ice cubes to relieve sunburns and cool irritated skin. When the sun's rays leave, your skin feeling scorched and irritated, finding relief becomes a top priority. Fortunately, there's a simple and refreshing solution that combines the soothing properties of aloe vera with the cooling sensation of ice cubes. By freezing aloe vera gel in ice cube trays, you can create a convenient and effective remedy for sunburn relief. To make aloe vera ice cubes, start by filling an ice cube tray with pure aloe vera gel. Ensure that the gel is of high quality and free from any added chemicals or fragrances. Once filled, place the ice cube tray in the freezer and allow the gel to freeze completely. Once frozen, these aloe vera ice cubes become a potent remedy for sunburn relief. The cooling sensation of the ice helps to numb the pain and reduce inflammation, while the healing properties of aloe vera work to soothe and moisturize the skin. Simply apply the aloe vera ice cubes directly to the affected area for instant relief from sunburn discomfort. Not only are these aloe vera ice cubes effective for sunburn relief, but they're also incredibly versatile. You can use them to cool and soothe irritated skin from a variety of causes, including insect bites, rashes, and minor burns. Keep a batch of aloe vera ice cubes on hand in your freezer for whenever your skin needs a little extra TLC. 6. Rub a walnut on scratched furniture. Rubbing a walnut over small scratches in wooden furniture can help disguise them by darkening the wood and filling in minor imperfections. If your wooden furniture is starting to show signs of wear and tear, there's no need to despair. A simple and natural solution lies right in your pantry: the walnut. Known for its rich color and oily texture, walnuts contain natural oils that can work wonders on scratched wooden surfaces. To use this technique, simply grab a walnut from your kitchen and remove the outer shell. Then, gently rub the exposed nut over the scratched area of your furniture, applying firm but gentle pressure. As you rub, you'll notice the natural oils from the walnut seeping into the wood, darkening it and helping to camouflage the scratches. The darkening effect of the walnut not only disguises scratches, but also helps to restore the wood's natural beauty and luster. Additionally, the oils from the walnut can help to fill in minor imperfections in the wood, leaving behind a smoother and more uniform surface. This walnut scratch repair method is particularly effective on darker wood finishes such as walnut, mahogany, and cherry. However, it can also be used on lighter woods with equally impressive results. Plus, it's a natural and chemical-free alternative to commercial wood polishes and scratch repair kits, making it an eco-friendly choice for caring for your furniture. So the next time you notice a scratch on your wooden furniture, don't fret. Reach for a walnut instead and let its natural oils work their magic, restoring your furniture to its former glory with minimal effort and expense. 7. Dry shoes with newspaper. Stuff crumpled newspaper into wet shoes to absorb moisture and help them dry faster. After a rainy day or an unexpected spill, wet shoes can be a nuisance. But fear not, for a simple solution lies within the pages of your daily newspaper. By stuffing crumpled newspaper into your damp shoes, you can effectively absorb moisture and expedite the drying process. The porous nature of newspaper makes it an excellent absorbent material capable of soaking up excess moisture from shoes and leaving them dry and odor-free. To use this technique, crumple several sheets of newspaper into loose balls and pack them tightly into your wet shoes, ensuring that every corner and crevice is filled. As the newspaper absorbs moisture from the shoes, it also helps to maintain their shape and structure, preventing them from becoming misshapen or distorted during the drying process. Additionally, the absorbent properties of the newspaper help to reduce drying time, allowing you to get back on your feet faster. For best results, leave the newspaper-filled shoes in a well-ventilated area and allow them to air dry naturally. Depending on the extent of moisture in the shoes, you may need to replace the newspaper with fresh sheets periodically until the shoes are completely dry. Whether you've been caught in a sudden downpour or accidentally stepped in a puddle, drying wet shoes with newspaper is a simple and effective solution. So the next time your shoes are soaked through, reach for a few sheets of newspaper and let them work their magic, restoring your footwear to dry, wearable condition in no time. 8. use a clothespin to hold a nail. Hold a nail in place with a clothespin while hammering to prevent accidentally hitting your fingers. Hammering nails into walls or wood can be a precarious task, especially when trying to hold them steady with your fingers. However, with a simple household item like a clothespin, you can transform this potentially hazardous activity into a safer and more controlled process. The clothespin nail holder hack is as ingenious as it is straightforward. All you need to do is secure the nail inside the jaws of the clothespin, leaving just enough of the nail exposed to hammer into the desired surface. This creates a makeshift handle that not only holds the nail firmly in place, but also keeps your fingers safely out of harm's way. As you position the clothespin nail assembly against the surface you wish to nail into, you'll find that it provides a stable and steady foundation, allowing for more accurate and controlled hammering. Gone are the days of fumbling with nails and risking painful accidents. The clothespin nail holder ensures a smoother and safer experience every time. Additionally, the clothespin nail holder is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of nailing tasks, from hanging pictures and shelves to assembling furniture and DIY projects. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a must-have accessory for anyone who regularly works with nails and hammers. So the next time you find yourself reaching for the hammer, don't forget to grab a clothespin as well. With this handy tool by your side, you can tackle nailing tasks with confidence and peace of mind, knowing that your fingers are safely protected from harm. 9. Remove odors from hands with stainless steel. After handling strong-smelling foods like garlic or onions, rub your hands on a stainless steel object, like a spoon or sink, under running water to remove the odor. After a session of chopping garlic or handling pungent onions, the lingering odor on your hands can be quite persistent. But fear not, for there's a simple and effective solution that involves nothing more than a stainless steel object and running water. Stainless steel possesses unique properties that make it an excellent odor-neutralizing agent. When you rub your hands on a stainless steel object, such as a spoon or the surface of a stainless steel sink, the molecules responsible for the strong odor bind to the metal, effectively removing them from your skin. To use this technique, simply hold your hands under running water and rub them vigorously against the stainless steel object for 20-30 seconds. Be sure to cover all areas of your hands, including the fingertips and nails, to ensure thorough odor removal. The results are nothing short of remarkable. The unpleasant odor is neutralized, leaving your hands smelling fresh and clean. This method is not only quick and effective, but also completely natural and chemical-free, making it a safe and eco-friendly alternative to commercial odor-removing products. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast who loves experimenting with flavorful ingredients, or simply someone who enjoys cooking at home, the stainless steel odor removal hack is a game changer. Say goodbye to lingering food odors on your hands and hello to a more pleasant cooking experience, all thanks to the power of stainless steel. 10. Tennis ball to unlock car door. If you lock your keys in your car, use a tennis ball to create air pressure against the lock. Press the ball firmly against the lock and watch it pop open. Note, this might not work on all car models and is not necessarily recommended as a primary method of unlocking a car. While it may sound like something out of a movie, the tennis ball method for unlocking a car door is a DIY trick that has gained some attention over the years. The concept is simple. By creating air pressure against the lock with a tennis ball, you can supposedly force it to unlock. However, it's important to note that this method may not work on all car models, and it's not necessarily the safest or most reliable way to unlock a car door. To attempt this method, you'll need a standard tennis ball and a firm grip. Simply press the tennis ball firmly against the lock mechanism on the car door, making sure to create a seal between the ball and the lock. Then apply pressure to the ball and watch as, in theory, the air pressure forces the lock to pop open. While some people claim success with this method, it's essential to approach it with caution. Depending on the design of your car's locking mechanism as well as other factors such as air pressure and temperature, the tennis ball method may not yield the desired results. Additionally, attempting to unlock a car door in this manner could potentially damage the lock or surrounding components. In conclusion, While the tennis ball method may seem like a convenient solution for unlocking a car door in a pinch, it's not necessarily recommended or reliable. It's always best to use traditional methods, such as calling a locksmith or using a spare key, to avoid potential damage or complications. For merchandise, see the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe and click in the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.